We're starting to see the government looking at a lot of the PPP loans as a result of the pandemic, false statements, false number of employees, and various type of wire bank fraud type issues. Any type of false statement, if you sign a document in the application process of a loan, whether it's PPP or any type of bank loan, the federal government can and does prosecute those offenses. We're seeing an uptick in that particular area because of the amount of money. The banks really, I understand the banks never really had a procedure on how to maintain and structure these loans, but where you're seeing people who have indicated they had 50 employees when they only had 2, or you're seeing payroll, it was supposed to be geared to the payroll. So we're seeing some prosecutions, and it's a very serious type of crime. Wire fraud, bank fraud, you're looking at up to 30 years and $1 million fine. This is all governed, of course, by the guidelines in federal court, and the advisory guidelines suggest maybe an amount lower than the 30 years, but it's going to be driven by the amount of money the loan had. When you hire us, we have had an extensive amount of experience in the fraud area in federal court for almost over 30 years. This is just a variant of the bank fraud, wire fraud type schemes and prosecutions. With our experience, we've been able to, I believe, defend folks, talk to the government, see if in fact their assumptions are correct, and see what we could do to mitigate our client situation.